Some members of parliament have called for a full-scale investigation into reports of expired food items donated to persons who were affected by the spillage of the Bagri Dam in the Upper East region. Some of the items, especially rice and cooking oil, were found to have expired. Some of the victims were reported to have experienced adverse reactions after consuming the products.
According to NADMO, some expired over 3 years ago, 2 years, 6 months. So the question is, why should the vice president, whole vice president, go and distribute food items to Kenyan people to eat and die? This is a serious issue. Even though NADMO have come out to apologize, I expect the vice president personally to own everything, accept responsibility, and also apologize equally.
When issues of genuine mistakes comes, you should be able to distinguish it, especially when the people concerned are people that are responsible. No. This one should not be allowed to just go under the carpet. They should investigate it. Through the investigation, we'll be able to know that these are the modus operandi of those people who want to undermine. These are what they do. It's possible somebody might have these expired food items elsewhere. And then when there was an opportunity to go and, distribute something on behalf of His Excellency, let me take the advantage and exchange it, knowing that, these people are rural communities. They may not even look at it before eating. It's possible this thing can happen.
Instead of us brushing this by the side, let's find out if there's a supplier that deliberately supplied an unwholesome good. I think Standards Board can take a part of it. And in the chain, how was it that the people who actually presented this to the vice president to be supplied, how come they didn't check this? So I think there's more to it because it can happen again.
This goes to the core of our Ghanaian society, just like other stores do in this country, that when the thing is getting to its expiry date, they remove all those labels and write new dates on them. It's a wake-up call. I think the Food and Drugs Authority should also wake up. And the NADMO, I mean, this if it passes this time, this thing should not repeat itself again ever.